So what I thought was a dead locust, I think it's a locust, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a locust. I thought it was dead, it was just chilling on the floor. Well, I guess not chilling, but laying there deadly on the floor. You know, okay, you see that? That would be a dead locust. You see it? Yeah, okay, well, you know, I was gonna put the paper towel over it and be so kind as to pick it up, but it flutters. Okay, I don't understand. Makes that noise. Weirdest thing. And it scared me half to death. And now I'm not sure if I want to pick it up and bring it outside. So I think I'm just going to leave it there. Leave it there. But hey, maybe later I will pick it up with, you know, these tong things. Alrighty. Bye.